Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to add multiple trends to your Google Trends search. So this is for topics that may have different spellings and stuff like that. So we're going to use Cash App as an example because I make Cash App videos on my channel. So we'll type Cash App, hit enter, and this is showing us the overall trend for Cash App searches, media, information, websites, videos, just overall on the internet. And we can go worldwide as well. Let's go to past 5 years. So this gives us an overall trend here. However, some people spell Cash App differently. They might not know how to spell it, they might not know what it is, and they might search something like that. So this is going to give us all the data for Cash App spelled together. So if we want to get a very detailed view of this, the exact amount, we can go like this: Cash App plus Cash App, hit enter. And that's basically going to add both of these together and give us the trend, this yellow line. So if there's multiple spellings of what you're trying to find a trend for, you can just add those all up and it will automatically do it for you. So super nice feature there. Hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.